Let's be honest, it's 2026 and you're still not a profitable trader. AI bots are flipping coins faster than your brain can blink. Every influencer swears they've cracked the code, and yet your account still looks like a horror movie. Let's fix that. Here's why you still aren't making money in the markets. If you're buying something after it's all over your feed, congrats, you're officially the market's exit liquidity. Chasing hype feels like momentum until the chart does a backflip and lands on your wallet. Remember, smart money creates trends. FOMO money feeds them. Most traders have fancy setups but zero actual strategy. If your plan is basically buy when it looks good and sell when it looks bad, then congratulations, you've invented gambling with extra steps. In 2026, even AI bots have better discipline. You need entry rules, exit rules, and a reason for every click. Trading in 2020 was like fishing in a barrel, and the barrel was full of rocket emojis. But it's 2026 now. The market is faster, weirder, and full of bots that don't care about your support line from last year. Adopt or evaporate. The strategy that worked before doesn't owe you a paycheck. Be honest, your biggest losses didn't come from bad analysis. They came from bad emotions. You bought because you were bored. You sold because you were scared. The best traders aren't emotionless robots. They're just disciplined enough to act like ones. Everybody wants a shortcut, but in trading, the only shortcut is pain and experience. You can't buy wisdom. You earn it, one bad trade at a time. And if you're not keeping a journal, you're not learning. You're just repeating expensive mistakes. If you're not profitable yet, it's not because the market hates you. It's because you're still learning how to stop being your own worst enemy. Stop chasing. Start planning. Adapt. Control. Because the market doesn't care who wins, only who survives. Some lessons take longer,